I feel like every barber or content creator should have an at-home workspace. Not a laptop, a desktop, more professional. Alright YouTube, as you can see, I'm looking dusty. I'm getting a cut this weekend. About to go to the shop, about to cut hair for the day. Gonna show you guys my clients for today, the weird things I encounter throughout the day. I'm getting a new backdrop. I just got one, a 5x7. I'm gonna show you guys. Upgrading to an 8x10. It's just bigger. The one I have is too small. Like, it's out of frame when I'm recording. So let's go, let's do it. So this is the backdrop. It's 5x7, but I need an 8x10 one. It's getting delivered today. You see how the edges right here is out of frame. I'm using the wide angle part of my iPhone camera right now. The 8x10 is gonna come out to right here. So I'm gonna show you guys how I set that up today. Alright YouTube, right now I'm on the toilet. Taking a dump, man. take a daily dump at the same time every day, always at 4 p.m. My other clients that I cut more people than what you guys are gonna see. They just didn't want to be recorded. But yeah, busy day. I'm usually done at like 4 p.m., 3:30 every day. So we're gonna go get the backdrop from my house, bring it back, install it. So I just put the backdrop in the car. We're about to take it to the store. Okay, so I don't have clamps yet. I had to make a makeshift holder. So it's stayed up. It's not gonna fall. It's not gonna fall. See, I'm hitting it, it's not gonna fall. And as you can see, it's a clean background. Same color as the old one. It's clean. It's just bent like this, wrinkles because it was folded up for so long. Once it smooths out, it's gonna be smooth. As you can see, you can't tell that it's bent. You can't. It's that type of material you want to be able to tell, which is perfect. So we're gonna clean all this up and then head to the gym. Let's go. Make up this stuff. About to get it in. Since I haven't went in 2 days, last time I went was 2 days ago, we're gonna go hard today. I wanna focus on my abs today, because my abs are coming in really nice. So yeah. I dropped these in here last week. Steak. I'll take queso. Corn. Can I have a lot of corn? Sour cream. Cheese. A little bit more cheese. And just a little bit of lettuce. That's good. I think the best part about being a barber is the freedom that comes with it. You guys know what it is. You can, if I decide, oh look, I'm not cutting tomorrow, I'm gonna move all my appointments to next Tuesday. I can do that. I may receive backlash, but at the end of the day, you can do it. That was good. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. Let's go. Peace.